me ask you a very straight question, sir. You have been very successful businessman. How you thought that politics, you are made for politics? Are you of this view that you are a successful businessman and you will be a successful politician?
Yes, I have been a successful businessman, and yes, I have been a successful politician also. I have been a councillor for the last 5 years, and after my tenure, I won the election with the margin of 2,000 votes. And after 5 years, the seat was reserved for ladies, and my wife contested the election. She won with the highest margin in Delhi, and that was 15,000 for council election. So reason being is that yes, I believe being a businessman, being a person with lot of when you got a big setup with you, when you got enough assets to maintain your own household,
Yes.
then you should also think about the society. Because if the people who are well established doesn't come out for politics, the politics will be a great mess. So I thought of being in a politics.
So politics is a philanthropy work for you, or to grab the power?
No, it is not. It is not that to grab a power. Yes, what made me come to the politics was that while I was in a Punjabi Bagh, the situation of Punjabi Bagh that worst that it made me that I should be a councillor of this city. I can make a change in Punjabi Bagh, and I did that change. So that gave me another boost that yes, I need to be in Delhi to change this Delhi. This Delhi shouldn't be like the way it is. So for us, I ask other people also, young faces also, young businessmen also, that yes, you should also come in. While I was contesting the Delhi City Water Management Committee election, I made many of my friends make them contest this election. I said, if we want to change, if we want to we want to have a revolution in this setup, then we need a people with a clean image, with a business minds, with the people who can think, yes, we are not in a politics to earn something, we are in politics to give something. If we got a people of this mindset in politics, definitely then only you can change this arena. Otherwise, it's quite messed up.
Mr. Sisa, as I know about you, that you are from village area of Punjab or Haryana. So why don't you think that you should work for village area? Why you are willing to work for National Capital Region and Delhi?
See, I got established here. I came in Delhi for my higher education. I did my graduation from Delhi University. So I got established in Delhi. My kids are here in Delhi. Obviously, wherever you are established, so you can only make a change over there. Yes, I belong to a village, and it's my dream to work for a village also. But yes, I have been working in village also, in Delhi also. I got my assets in villages also, and I have been doing a lot of job for my village people also, here in Delhi also, and back in my village Pajik also.
So politics is a philanthropy for you. It is not for grabbing the power.
No ways, no ways. Had I been there just to grab the power, then I shouldn't have contested the election for councillor. Then I shouldn't have contested the election for MLA. Then too I would have gone for Raj Sabha. I would said, okay, I can manage the seat. So I would have gone for that purpose. My purpose was not to grab the power. My purpose is yes, we want to make a change in that.
You are from Akali Dal. Why you chose Akali Dal? Are you of this view? Still you believe in sectarian politics? That
no, Akali Dal.
It is a political party of Sikh and some caste and community. So don't you feel that if you are in Akali Dal, people will consider that you believe in sectarian politics?
No, it is not that. Actually, people are not basically aware of Akali Dal. Akali Dal is the second oldest party in India after Congress.
Okay.
And Akali Dal was not formed for religious purposes. Akali Dal has fought many battles for Punjabis, for Punjab. Akali Dal was the only party, while the emergency was there, we were the only party who were put in jails for 18 months. We were the only one who came forward for the people of India. We have fought many battles for Indians, not for Sikhs. Yes, Akali Dal basically was formed for Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee, because at that time the charge was with the British government, and we want our Gurudwaras to be independent under the supervision of Sikhs. Akali Dal was formed for that purposes. By the time things got changed, and we have been fighting for the cause of India, for the cause of nation.
Not for Sikh.
Not for. And today we got the highest number of non-6 MLAs in Punjab. Congress got lesser than us. In Punjab, non-6 MLAs in Akali Dal are more than Congress. So you cannot say, even if we say we are the better secular party than Congress also.
Okay. So you are in his voice. Okay. So Mr. Sirsa, you are aligned with Bharatiya Janata Party. So it is a major setback for you that you are just away from power. You just missed 2-3 seats and you are away from power. How you feel it?
That's right. Actually, we were expecting to form a government in Delhi. The reason being is...
Even you were ready to get the ministerial ones also.
See, that was a different issue that High Command has to decide. Yes, we are in alliance with BJP. And we were expecting that we will bring a change in Delhi. As we have promised for 30% concession on power and lot more things, and we were expecting that yes, we'll make a change in Delhi. Definitely it's a setback for us because we have got a commitment with people. People have voted, they haven't voted for MLA, they have voted for a Bharatiya Janata Party government in Delhi, and keeping in the view that yes, Delhi will be in the safe hands of Bharatiya Janata Party.
You fought against Congress or Aam Aadmi Party?
See, the reality...
I will ask you a question later. You were responding.
Yeah, so this was the reason that people voted for us. It was not the election for just MLA. It was the election that people has voted against Congress and people has voted in the favor of Bharatiya Janata Party that will form a government, and then people of Delhi will feel safe under the government of Bharatiya Janata Party. And even this is true that we were not expecting Aam Aadmi Party at that stage. We were fighting against... We were fighting against...
You are accepting candidly.
Yeah, we are expecting there's nothing wrong. We are fighting against Congress, and we have no idea that there is another third person who is really grabbing votes. You see, they got 28 seats in Delhi. It's a huge seats in Delhi. And considering the people of Delhi with a vision, with a thought, and at that time, if you're getting 28 seats, that definitely we were not expecting this much from Aam Aadmi Party, and we were not straight ahead fight with Aam Aadmi Party.
बड़ा मशहूर नगमा है दलित महमूद का, लता मंगेशकर का, 2-4 कदम जब मंजिल थी किस्मत ने ठोकर खाई. आपको लगता है कि एकदम चूक हो गई and party is not in a position to form government, so
नहीं
it is a major setback.
देखिए, चूक हुई है, दो तरीके से हुई है. एक, जब हमने ये माना ही नहीं कि तीसरा आदमी इस स्तर पर इलेक्शन लड़ रहा है, हमने उसके खिलाफ कोई भी फ्रंट नहीं खोला. हमने कभी भी आम आदमी पार्टी को इतना बड़ा चैलेंज नहीं माना, ना ही आम आदमी पार्टी के कैंडिडेट्स को इतना बड़ा चैलेंज माना. हैड बी नोन अबाउट दिस थिंग दैट ये तो इतना ज्यादा वोट बैंक ले रहे हैं, यू टॉक अबाउट देयर कैंडिडेट्स आर टोटली लेमेन्स. They have no idea about the power politics. They have no idea about the...
You were also new when you entered into politics.
I entered into politics. I'm telling you. I entered into politics as a councillor. That was the lowest power. That was the lowest seat, the lowest election that one could think of contesting there. Being a lawmaker in Delhi, you need to have some kind of knowledge about this thing.
Because it's a complex state.
The reality is, few of the candidates didn't even turn up for counting, because they were not expecting that they're going to win. I knew few candidates, I won't name them, who were sitting at their homes. They were not. One of the candidates met me during the time of election from other constituency and asked me, how are you getting? He said, I'll get 7,000 votes. I said, no, you won't get 7,000. You will not get more than 5,000. He said, no, you are underestimating me. I'll get 7,000 votes. And he won with this more than 7,000 votes.
So this kind of silent wave was there, and you were not in a position to read that how much people are angry.
No, people
with the establishment, the present establishment.
No. We were able to read that people were very much angry with the established,
the Congress.
First, second, now they have given 3-4 slogans, which people thought that yes, might be they could be able to achieve that. First was that we'll give you power on 50% concession. We'll give you free water.
It is all gimmick. You think
it's gimmick. Had it been a challenge, it is a big challenge.
Can't do this.
No, he can't. If he can do, then he should prove it over here. See, Congress has given him a support, and that was unconditional support.
Still, you feel that Arvind Kejriwal cannot bring down this tariff up to 50%.
Leave this apart. thing is,
Are you of this view that-
yes, I'm sure about this.
He can't bring
He
down.
cannot bring, no, because there are 3-4 things. Had it been at just 50% of electricity, we would have thought that it could be possible. That
Your
rest-
party-
but at the same time, what he said,
Your
is-
BJP is saying that they will bring down up to 30%.
30, but no, that's what I'm saying. Na? Had he just said that about the power, we would have thought it. No, at the same time, he said he'll provide us a free drinking water, right? So it means not just power. So another 20% short in power. Then he says, we'll give you a house against this Jugi, and that too at the same place.
Your party is also saying
No, but our parties have got a different stand. We never said that we'll give you a house at the same place and same. No, listen. Let me complete my sentence. At the same place, as many as number of Jugis are there, and thirdly, within the specified time period, it is impossible for anybody. It is not possible, being a national party.
because
Being-
that place can be unauthorized.
unauthorized. That could be a government place, that could be a private property also.
Right.
And being a national party, after all, we are an established national party, and BJP cannot say that okay, we'll do this, and tomorrow we say no, sorry, we can't do this. It is not possible. Yes, we asked for a 30%. We could have said 80% also. If it was just a free, we would have said 80% also. Same is with Kejriwal, because neither he is supposed to perform, nor he thought that he will get a power to perform this also. So he simply said,
now you